Hello there, welcome to my channel. In general, we know that we all have different natures in mind. If we look at the natures of one's mind, one is not equal to the other. But none of us know someone else's mind, and many of us cannot even recognize our own mind. If you have already seen my previous videos, you have learned that we have different kinds of mind natures, such as hatred, lust, or delusion nature. In general, if we have a hatred nature mind, we can easily feel it, even if we can recognize the body as well. When we have feelings of hatred, we know that it is not good for us, or we may be scared to do any of these. So soon we will try to get rid of that feeling because we knew that hatred destroys our lives as well as our souls. We do not want hatred to continue at any moment. If we cannot be free on our own, perhaps we will discuss with a psychiatrist or some educated person how to get rid of those events. Because we knew that those feelings of hatred were not good for our health either. But we do not think that lust, one of the other two natures of the mind, will destroy our life or soul. Even we do not dream our lust destroy our life or soul. We would like to dream with our lustful passions, past moment and future moments. We all want to be with lust in our lives at all times. As we all know, it will give some pleasure to our mind as well as our body. So before going ahead, if you have not yet joined my channel, please click the subscribe button to join now and click the bell button to watch as soon as this type of valuable videos arrives. After watching this video, the content is much valued for you. Give a like. If you have to tell any idea or thoughts, comment it. Let's start it again from where I stopped. As I was explaining about our lustful passions. Usually, lustful thoughts are often present in our minds. In addition, hatred is due to a lack of lust, and both of because of delusion. These three natures are present in our minds and come out of the six senses within us. So as humans, we like to feel lustful feelings through our six senses of eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body and mind. We have these six senses to feel our happiness. Through our senses, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, thinking, to feel our happiness. It's our normal way of life. But when you have had too much lust, what will be happen? When you have excessive lust, your body burns in anticipation of fulfilling it. You may experience that your whole body burns at that moment until your lustful thought is fulfilled. Then to fill up, you may have done so many things that you have come on your mind. Sometimes you just can't stay in one place. At that time, what do you normally do? Think about that. What do you do normally? At that time, you will not try to stop your lust feelings unless you may give some feed to increase your lustful feelings. At that time, you may watch erotic movies, videos, or listen to some erotic songs. You will think that doing these things will fill your lustful thoughts, but it is not decreasing or stopping. It will increase a lot more, but you don't know about it. If you do not educate yourself to control your lustful thoughts or mind, it will ruin your life, your society, your family, and even the world. Because of that, as of today, there are so many rape incidents that happen to fulfill their unwanted lustful thoughts. When your mind is full of lust, you will not be able to control yourself. You only have the idea to quench your thirst for lust. Then you will not even understand the age of the person in front of you, as like those moments without controlling the lust that is born in them. By feeding it more and more, even small children will be raped by those who are obsessed with their lust. Not only that, moreover, they will try to fulfill their lust even with an adult they meet during their excessive lust moments. That is why no one in our society today can go on the road alone. These days, a young girl, woman, child, or even an elder cannot walk on the side of the road alone. What has developed today is a society that has deteriorated due to such insane lust. Those crazy lustful people do not know that lust is just a thought that arises in their minds. Many people today do not know that there is no lust in the outside world, and that is lustful thoughts that develop in their minds. If it is having lustful things in the outside world, you can quench your thirst by quenching those things. Is it understood to your mind? Then we can fulfill our lustful feelings that we don't want to again and again try to fulfill our lusty feelings. Those who do not know that lust is thought that arises in our mind only. They have a lot of fun with their lust, but they don't know, ruin their lives or souls because of the illusions of lust. That is why the famous quote says, "You the end." Yes, of course, definitely you want to be happy, then you must understand the truth. True bliss does not come from refulfilling your lust, but from getting rid of your lust. Our Lord Buddha has explained clearly that also, if we really want to purify our life, we should get rid of lust. We have been preached by the Lord Buddha to see that lust brings sorrow. We must be wise and see in our minds how lust brings sorrow. If you can control your lust, you will not bring hatred. Hate arises when you do not get what you want. So control your lust and try to enjoy your lust. Then you will have mental healing like never before. Think twice about what I have shown through my content today. In fact, compare your lust when you have lust and after fulfilling all those feelings. Whether what I have described here fits it or not. I think you got something by watching my video today. Before going, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to enable notification to reach as soon as my new videos arrive. And don't forget to give a like whether you think this is a good video. Give me a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions on what you should expect from future videos. Thanks for watching.